Today I'm going to teach you how to understand padding and margin in Elementor. These two properties might seem similar at first, but they serve very different purposes in your design. Understanding how they work will give you precise control over spacing and help you create cleaner, more professional-looking pages. First, log into your WordPress dashboard. Once you're in, navigate to Pages and click on Add Page. This will create a new blank page where we can experiment with padding and margin settings. Go ahead and type a title for your page. Something like padding margin test works perfectly. After naming your page, click Edit with Elementor to open the Elementor editor. Now we need an element to work with. In the left panel, find and click on the image widget. This will add an image block to your page. You can either upload a new image or select one from your media library. Choose whichever image you prefer, as we'll be using it to demonstrate how padding and margin affect spacing. Once your image is in place, make sure the image widget is selected. Then navigate to the Advanced tab at the top of the left panel. Within the Advanced settings, locate the border section and click on it. This step is crucial because adding a border will help you visually see exactly where your padding begins and ends. Click on the border style icon and select Solid from the options, then set the width to 5. This border acts as a visual guide that clearly shows the boundaries of your element. Next, click on the Layout option within the Advanced tab. This is where the magic happens. You'll see two sections here, margin and padding. These control the spacing around and inside your element respectively. First, expand the margin section. Set the top and bottom values to 20px. Margin creates space outside your element's border, pushing other elements away from it. Now expand the padding section and set all sides to 70px. Padding creates space inside your element's border, between the border and your actual content. With the border we added earlier, you'll clearly see how padding pushes your image inward from the border, while margin creates space beyond the border. The key difference is simple. Padding affects the space inside your element, while margin affects the space outside. The border we added makes this relationship crystal clear visually. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.